So it's Friday, and I was gonna do a full day of eating, and it's almost 9:30, and I haven't actually ate anything yet. I had coffee. I forgot those calories. In a minute, I'll put them right there. But yeah, I have 2 more training sessions, and then I'll have my first meal, and we'll try to keep a log and calorie count and macro count along the way. So it's time for my first meal. I cooked a lot of food and took a lot with me yesterday, so we'll just pick one at random and heat it up. I'll make this my first meal. We have brown rice, frozen vegetables, and Butler soy curls. I'll put a picture of them right here. I had them sitting in some soy sauce and teriyaki sauce for a little while. That's why they have that brown color. See that? Calories go here. This would be the first real meal. I'll eat this, log in the calories off of MyFitnessPal, and then we'll move on to meal 2 in a little while. Not directly after, but we'll see. Maybe after. Oh, having a pair with the food. And boom, can you see that? Simple, takes less than 30 seconds to add everything. Calories, boom, so far. Meal number 2, soon. I'm gonna eat this right now. So, first meal done, about to eat the pear. Somebody asked, what the hell do I do in between sessions and working out and cooking? And I go, watch YouTube videos. Burrito mac and cheese, vegan style. Yeah, sign me up. So meal 1's done, food settled. Workout wise, today's all cardio based. Probably squeezing some abs too. First things up, we'll go 20 minutes on a rower, get it done. Done on the rower. Time for meal number 2. I have homemade black bean burger, homemade mashed potatoes, and under the black bean burger I have more of that Asian vegetable medley from Aldi's. 2 meals down, water in hand, my logo. How's that one? The other one. Errands to run, and then I'll be back for meal number 3. On to meal number 3. It's gonna be a pretty big meal, like a lot of food. But gotta eat, gotta get the calories in. So for meal number 3, we had the same thing I had for meal number 1. Butler soy curls, veggies underneath, cup of brown rice. I'm doing a very basic salad with some tomato in there. I'm going to have one of these Protein Lovers functional burritos. I did a review on these a while back. I'll put the link in the video below. Pretty good. I'll have these fruit and grain cereal bars. And then we'll have a just straight protein shake with almond milk. Like I said, a lot of calories. I'm gonna eat all this, drink this, and then let it settle and finish up my workout for the day. I also found these. I've been looking at plant-based proteins online, and Target had these for $1.99 a piece. I'm going to try these out and do them a review in another video. See how they go. To be continued. did first 10 minutes flat between speeds of 6 to 6.5, and then last 10 minutes got the speed down up the incline to about an 8, and I'm going to finish there. Clean up in here, head home, shower, and then eat my last meal and see where my calories are at. Okay. It's officially meal number 4. We have 3 scoops of peanut butter, almond milk, about a half a frozen banana, and a half a cup of oatmeal. And then we have a cup and a half of yogurt, teaspoon of flaxseed, another half a cup of oatmeal, and some honey on top. Simple, easy. So the last couple things I'm having: apple cider vinegar with a little bit of honey, 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar, multivitamins, fish oil pill. Then I have BCAAs and some glutamine for kind of recovery and muscle repair. More than 4,000 calories burnt, a little over 3,000 calories ate. So I'm still in a super low calorie deficit. Can't fit any more food in me. It's late, going to bed, having the apple cider vinegar and the vitamins and all that good stuff, and then sleep, wake up, do it all again. Oh, plus, gallon of water finished every day. I know I didn't show any of that, but yeah, whole gallon done. Until next time, 1Life1You.com.